Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here with some more NASCAR Authentics from 2019 Wave 5. We are going to do Erik Jones' number 20 Dewalt car. Let's get this car out of the box. Here's the magnet of the number 20. And here is the car of the number 20. So as I move the screen down a little, this number 20 car has been in every single wave from 2017 to 2019. But from 2017 it was Matt Kenseth, and now from 2018 to 19 it's Erik Jones. As we take a look, the car's still the same. It has a black line down the middle, and then it has the black streaks coming out of it. This car looks the same from 2017 is because they never really changed it, but changed the driver mostly. There's the Reese's Finds Food on the back. Dewalt, number 20. The magnet has his name, Erik Jones, Dewalt, and the number 20. And in the back, it's like half black and half yellow. Well, that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.